Hi, my name is Caleb Boyd, and I'm the Cub Patrol Leader at Burnie. This is my design for a sustainable space station. There are 5 basic requirements: air, water, food, power, and a toilet. My space station has a communication array, solar panel, and a power plant, cargo spaceship, manipulation robot arm, habitation module, and lab module. The power plant is really important as it manages the power from the power array, the batteries and the fusion reactor to be really effective and reliable. The habitation module is very important because it has all the astronauts need for survival: the sustainable air, water, food. The habitation module combines with the plant lab to make an Earth-like environment. Water is filtered through micro-GM wetlands in a mix with human waste from the recycling space toilet, which feed the trees and also the eatable plants for the astronauts to grow and eat. Ultra-effective generational module, micro trees using photosynthesis creates air from carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Thank you.